Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we're hiding in the garage because it's freezing outside in Ohio, and a couple new deliveries came for the gray mini bike. A couple new calipers in a beautiful red color, and we're going to put them on the front and the back. I just did front and back. The front and the back. And let's get started with that now. Alright, now that we have the back caliper installed, let's do the same thing with the front one. And that's gonna look pretty on there, ain't it? Alright, let's do it. Alright folks, there you have it. We have front and back brakes assembled, and like I said, it's cold and rainy outside, so I can't test it today. But what else showed up is the gray grips, and I have a pair for the handlebars, and I have I bought two pairs. I thought for some reason that it would fit on here and be cool to cover this peg up a little bit. It's too short, so I'm gonna figure something else out for this. But for today, we're gonna get these put on. This is the one that's always a pain in the butt. I have to shoot some air and get it off of there. So let me get the compressor going, and I'll be right back at you. Alright, so I put these on off camera. You know, it's pretty simple. Just take an air hose and shoot off. Get the air nozzle back behind the rubber and start shooting air, and the old one usually comes flying right off. just kind of like, you know, shoot the air and it flies off. This side didn't even have one on it, so just put a little bit of Windex and shoot this one on, and then you put the air hose in to dry out the Windex, or you don't want to use any like lubricant. You want to use something that's going to dry. So there we have it, just a shorty episode. New calipers, new grips. The next thing that was coming on this is a chain tensioner. I ordered one, and waiting on that. And hopefully we'll get a nice day and we can get outside and take this for a rip for you. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. I try to get back to all comments. Have a good day.